Hello, so I'm back with part 2 of this vintage ruler set hairdo thing for my natural hair. Um, Yesterday I did the first part of this video, which you should check out. I think it's already up on my channel by now. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this down and see what I need to do next. Oh. I guess I'll start where I first started yesterday. I'm going to put them back in the case so I won't lose them. Okay, cool. Cool. Now I gotta find out where to put this. Sorry, talking kind of low because my roommate's here and I feel like still embarrassed about talking. I feel like I'm talking to myself, so I'm talking really low so she won't think I'm crazy. Okay, so when you unravel it, make sure you curl it out like that. Like, don't just rip it out, just gently remove the little pin and unravel it. Nice. I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while. So yesterday I actually ended up blow drying my hair with a handheld blow dryer because I couldn't find the bonnet part of my hooded hair dryer. So I just ended up blow drying it because they did say that's the way you set it, by blow drying it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of them out and then show you what I do. Alright, and they are all out right now. The funny thing is, like, when my mom does this, so my grandma, she just leaves them like this until they gradually fall throughout the next few days, but that's not what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, like, this one actually feels a little bit damp. Like the tiniest touch. No, I left it on for hours. Oh shit. Forgot one. Okay, so I'm just gonna shake them out. This one's didn't even move. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like pull them apart with my fingers. Gently. Basically just molding my hair, just molding it the best I can. Kind of combing it down on top. That way all the curls could be at the bottom. And I'm doing it with my fingers. I don't want to do too much. And for this front piece, I'm just letting it roll up under. Yeah. So if this was really helpful, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around. Bye.